mean,
amazing, isn't it?
the annoying thing is I just drove your FN2 back from having its MOT.
Yeah.
And the first time I drove it, I was like, I've driven FN2s before and I like them, but and then that time I just drove it, I was like, oh, that's quite cool.
Well, that's because he fixed the
exhaust
that was
the
leaking,
exhaust
that was
blowing. So
apparently Jap Speed supplied the wrong cat gasket
oh,
that
did
I
they?
put on.
Oh, cheers Jap Speed.
Cheers Jap Speed.
That's
That cost me
really helpful.
200 quid.
Yeah, nice one Jap Speed.
Well, not just that part, but
No,
in total, because I had a little bit sub as well. And had, the rusty teen springs.
Ridiculous.
buy cheap, buy twice. And I had,
well, no, you say that. I mean, those springs, like they've just got a little bit of
patina.
the green. Yeah, the patina's come off. That's all. Patina Turner.
Patina Turner.
Let's not go down that road.
Patina Eternity test. He's my brother. Patina Eternity test.
Yeah. I mean, I'm older than you, but only by months.
Yeah.
So, you wouldn't think it, would you? Would you? The internet? You wouldn't think.
We could be brothers.
The YouTube. You wouldn't think that I'm older than Ed, would you?
Yes.
100%. Ed looks way old.
I don't. Spring chicken.
I don't. Anyway, look at the car.
Look at that.
You want to look at the car more than us. Let's just,
appreciate it.
I have done loads of B-roll, Ed, that's going to be on here.
But we're appreciating it.
I mean,
we're appreciating it.
Just keep filming it. It's fine.
Just shows you what a quick little wipe has done with that quick detail. That's brought it up lovely.
Chaos Trading.
Chaos Trading 15%.
Yeah. I'll put the actual proper title of the quick detailer down here.
Yeah. So I'm looking at a
bottom of the screen.
I want to get a private number plate, and I've seen S200 EXT Baxter. So S2000 Baxter.
Yeah.
I think that'll look stunning, won't it? And it won't look like a 2002 plate then.
No.
But yes, mate, I'm over the moon. Do you want
It's
that
great.
one back?
I'll take the camera back now.
Yeah, Tony Bellew.
Right, mate, okay.
Tony Bellew.
You're going Scouts, I was doing
Right.
Midlands. Doing generic Midlands.
I'm from Dudley.
Oh, all right.
That's Midlands, isn't it?
Yeah.
Dudley.
Anyway,
All right.
let's stand with the car behind us. Come
All
on,
right.
come on, sunshine.
All
No,
right,
stop.
Antonio.
I'll cut this out if you carry on.
Oh, is it Harry?
Right, what I'm going to do now is what I've done before. So now I'm editing it. The bit you've just heard where Ed's trying to do a Scouse accent, I'm going to mute,
It's a good one.
and we're going to be in a cartoon filter. So, yeah.
Alright!
No, see, you keep doing it. You
I'm
keep
from Brookside.
And I'm going
That's a good one.
I wish I could fly
Oh,
up
Christ.
into the sky.
Right.
Who was that? Edit up. Orville and Dean.
No.
That's Torville and Dean.
Christ. Somebody help me. Somebody
I
help me.
wish I could fly.
No, just stop. Right?
Well, we've had a long day.
It has been a long
and
day.
your cord's not even fixed yet.
I know. Don't even bring that up. Don't even bring that up because I'm pissed.
It's
But
bad off, but it's getting done, isn't it?
I'm pissed with the system.
The system.
It's not even the
System's
system, it's
shit.
just I'm just
It's just corrupt system, isn't it?